So, ano siya ang ano yung Apollo 13? Kini siya. Sa Apollo 13 and walay 13. Wapoy Apollo.
I know, I was trying to say.
Yeah. Center. Here, this center. Here at the entrance at Kennedy Museum. Everybody's here. Kaway-kaway, come on. Kaway-kaway. 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 Yeah. Okay. O ni mga kids, oh. Maybe sa school ni.